TradingView versus Webull. Which trading app is better? Choosing the right trading app can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without missing opportunities. We'll explore TradingView and Webull side by side. TradingView and Webull are two popular trading platforms with distinct strengths. TradingView focuses on advanced charting and analysis, while Webull emphasizes commission-free trading with integrated brokerage services. Understanding this core difference helps you pick the best fit for your trading style. TradingView is a web-based platform known for its powerful charting tools and extensive technical indicators. It works by providing real-time market data and customizable charts that traders can tailor to their strategies. Its strengths lie in the community-driven scripts, social networking features, and multi-asset coverage including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Traders can access TradingView on desktop or mobile with seamless synchronization. However, TradingView does not offer direct brokerage services, so users must connect it to an external broker for order execution. This makes it ideal for traders who prioritize in-depth market analysis and use multiple brokers or prefer a standalone charting solution. Beginners might find the interface complex, but experienced traders benefit from its flexibility and comprehensive tools. Webull is a commission-free trading app that combines brokerage services with a user-friendly interface. It allows traders to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options directly within the app, supported by real-time market data and advanced order types. Webull offers powerful charting features, though not as extensive as TradingView. Alongside research reports and customizable watch lists, its strengths include zero commissions, extended hours trading, and easy account funding. Limitations include fewer social and scripting features, and a smaller community compared to TradingView. Webull suits active traders and investors who want an all-in-one platform for both analysis and execution without switching apps. Its mobile and desktop versions provide consistent experiences, making it accessible for beginners and intermediate users who want to trade efficiently with integrated tools. TradingView excels in charting depth and community-driven insights, making it perfect for traders focused on technical analysis and strategy development. It requires external brokers for trade execution, which adds flexibility but extra steps. Webull offers a streamlined experience with commission-free trading and built-in brokerage, ideal for traders who want a single app for research and execution. The trade-off is slightly less advanced charting and fewer social features. For example, a day trader who relies heavily on custom indicators may prefer TradingView, while an investor looking for quick order placement and zero fees would benefit more from Webull. Both platforms support mobile and desktop use, but their core strengths cater to different trading priorities. Choose TradingView if your priority is advanced charting, deep technical analysis, and community-driven tools without needing integrated brokerage services. Opt for Webull if you want an all-in-one trading app with commission-free execution, solid charting, and easy account management. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so pick the one that matches your trading style and workflow for the best results.